Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick little video about how you can do a newborn session in your home. Some of you probably have had a baby or are having a baby soon. So I just want to give you a few quick tips of how you can do this in your home with what you have. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need any fancy equipment, just use your phone or whatever camera you have. So the first thing you need to do is look for light. Try to find a big window in your house and place your baby near the window. You don't want direct sunlight, so pick a time of day when the sun isn't streaming in. I'm just in our bedroom, put on a big stretchy sheet, hooked it up onto the headboard on one corner, and then down to around the bed on the other corners. As you can see, the light's coming from this direction, falling onto him, and if he looks at me, the light will be on his face, and I can just position myself so I have that nice smooth background behind. We'd have to try different angles to get it right. The second thing is that you do not want to shoot up a baby's nose. So when you lie your baby on the bed or on a carpet, position yourself in a way that you are shooting down their face, not up their nose. It will be much more flattering. Don't forget to get the little details. Get their feet and their hands, their eyelashes, all those little details. It is always good to bump up the temperature in your home a little bit if you're trying to do a photo shoot. Babies love to be warm and they also love to be swaddled, so swaddle them up tight if it's a little fussy. So nurseries are also another great place to shoot. A baby in the crib is always fun. I like to shoot through the rails like this. You can pull back and get some of the details of the nursery if you have a cute little nursery. Come in from above, like this, as high as you can. Change table is always cute too. In this case it's backlit, so you have to be a bit careful that you brighten them up enough. So I hope that those little tips will help you. I'm going to include some photos that I did with my phone. I didn't use my big camera. So I hope that that'll help you see what you can get if you are setting your baby up in the right way.